Making his way to the ring from Mobile, Alabama, weighing in at 213 pounds, KAGE.
Corey, how do you think these superstars feel about competing here on Thanksgiving?
What's this? Oh, we have a brawl on our hands. Boom! Incredible!
There was a lot of force behind that one.
Oh, man! He's starting to show signs of fatigue. He's going to want to make sure this doesn't snowball out of control.
I wouldn't call for the medics just yet, Cole. He still appears to be in pretty good shape here.
This thing appears to be slipping away from him in a hurry, guys, and you can bet he envisioned things going much differently for him heading into this match.